sweep and dig. What's that? Oh, that's in my truck. No, it's gonna stay in there. There's a little shovel right behind you. The little shovel's right behind you.
Hi, Tim.
I'm digging.
Found the gate.